Join me as we unbox our new Canon EOS M50.
Good morning, friends. If you're new to my channel, this is Kent the Flying Adobo. And today we're gonna unbox for vlogging. So we have the EOS M50. The EOS M50 comes with some kits. We get a free bag. This is a camera bag, as well as a tripod. It also comes with an SD card, which is 16 GB. I think 16 GB is more than enough. But then again, my friends told me if I have time to buy more of a 64 GB SD card. I also bought my own Gorilla 3K. I asked them what 3K means. It's 3 kilos. It can handle 3 kilos weight of camera. So we also have this universal microphone. This doesn't need battery, so it's good stuff. So we also have this compact microphone for iPad, iPhone, and yes, this is what I'm gonna use when I'm recording with my iPhone 10, which I am using right now. So let's see what the EOS M50 look like. EOS M50 Canon.
And now let's unbox and let's see what the camera looks like. Please comment below if you also own a Canon M50 so we can share tips on the features of this camera. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next videos.